Imagine our universe as the greatest theater stage of all time, complete with epic explosions, bizarre characters, and dramatic relationships lasting billions of years. Today, we're going behind the cosmic curtain to explore some of NASA's most fascinating discoveries, both old and new, and trust me, the stories are wilder than any Kahuan movie. Let's start close to home with something you might not expect. Black holes aren't just monstrous vacuum cleaners. In fact, NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory revealed that some supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies actually act like cosmic DJs, playing with jets of energy that can create huge bubbles of hot gas, shaping entire galaxies. It's less destructive monster and more galaxy architect with a flair for the dramatic. Now, zoom out a bit. Ever heard of galactic cannibalism? No, it's not a sci-fi horror trope. It's real. Larger galaxies often eat smaller ones. Our very own Milky Way is currently digesting a dwarf galaxy called Sagittarius, stretching it into a starry stream encircling us. It's the ultimate cosmic food chain, and NASA's Gaia mission has been mapping the evidence like a detective solving a billion-year-old crime. But if there's one star that knows how to steal the spotlight, it's Betelgeuse. This red supergiant in Orion's shoulder made headlines a few years back when it dramatically dimmed. Was it about to go supernova? Telescopes like Hubble dove in detective mode and found it had just belched. A huge cloud of dust cooled and blocked its light. So instead of an explosive death, it was more like a cosmic burp spectacular, but definitely overhyped. Compare that to the quiet but profound discovery of the pillars of creation in the Eagle Nebula. Captured by Hubble in 1995 and revisited with even sharper clarity years later, these towering columns of gas and dust aren't just beautiful, they're stellar nurseries where new stars are born. It's like a cosmic maternity ward, with gravity and radiation sculpting new suns over millennia. And speaking of births, let's talk about exoplanets. NASA's Kepler and TESS missions have turned planet hunting into a treasure hunt, discovering over 5,000 confirmed exoplanets, some rocky like Earth, some hot Jupiters that orbit their stars in mere days. There's even a planet called WASP 76b where it rains molten iron at night. Talk about a bad weather day. Perhaps one of the most exciting recent stories comes from the James Webb Space Telescope. It's not just taking pretty pictures, it's peering back in time, observing some of the earliest galaxies ever formed, and even analyzing atmospheres of distant worlds for signs of water or methane. We're essentially reading the diaries of the universe's childhood. So whether it's black holes throwing energy parties, galaxies merging in slow motion dances, or stars throwing temper tantrums with gas and dust, our universe is a stage full of twisting plots and dazzling spectacles. What will we discover next? With new missions and telescopes on the horizon, the next act is bound to be even more thrilling. Was this video helpful? Let me know by liking the video and subscribing for more.